This is the dude. The Sweet 96 GMC Savannah 1500. This is my top that I built for it. It's an awning, not a top, but I have some electrical conduit here. It's I think 3/4, and I have it's 1/2 inch, and then I have 3/4 inch plastic electrical conduit here with a tarp wrapped around it and taped and bolted. Some of these little fittings for the legs that go in the legs are backdrop leg supports from Photography Backdrop Kit. You can get the whole kits for like 30 bucks, I think. I had these. This is old tripod that I got at the thrift store for $3. I connected it there. It kind of spreads out and fits on a bolt there and keeps the tension, keeps it from blowing up when the wind blows. Similar thing over here, same backdrop leg. Goes down. Bimini hardware is what some of this stuff is for a Bimini top for a boat. That's what this is, a Bimini hinge bracket thing. Thumb screws. And this is a, depending on the wind and where I want this to be, it can move up and down. And the wedges in the rain guard there. And this thing up here is where it all fits in. Fits into that tube, which I just have mounted up there with some hose clamps. Me and the boys painted it. It's white PVC. It's 4 inch. I should have got 6 inch. That's it. Save our planet. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's take it down. off. I hate this ladder. You know, it's just a regular van ladder. I just funded those on a board. I'm gonna make it look a little nicer. You can move it anywhere you want to on the frame rail. That's it. All done.